What's going on? Today is a rib redemption video. If you remember the last time I did some spares, they got burned on the bottom. Wasn't pretty. But I'm going to show you that I know how to do it, know how to do it right. I'm going to step it up with this new Hogwaller Honey rub that I got in yesterday, along with this peach barbecue sauce, also Sucker Busters. Two combinations bump together well. The honey and the peach on those ribs is going to be good stuff. Stick around, check it out. All right, guys. As always, I'm going to start off with the binder, and I use Worcestershire. I know a lot of guys use mustard and all that, but my opinion, mustard's for hot dogs. Just my opinion. Going to start down with the little SPG. A little, maybe a lot. Push that down a little bit. I had already taken the membrane off. You guys seen that 1,000 times. Didn't want to bore you with it. This honey Hogwaller is money, let me tell you. Money. Pat that down. You can only go so much on the membrane side. The meat side is where it all matters. You see, I didn't really do much trimming on here a lot. There was a little bit of fat up here on the silver skin. Took that off of there. The light SPG. Again, pat it down a little bit. Come back with the Hogwaller. And again, I know you guys have seen this 1,000 times, but I'm going to show y'all that I know what I'm doing sometimes. You see that color, that nice orangey color from that honey. And you notice I didn't put any binder on top. You know why? Because I just forgot. I just looked at it, I saw over the Worcestershire sitting there, and I forgot, but it's all right. It's all right. All that talks, I know what I'm doing. Forgot my binder. It's all right. It's all good. It doesn't add flavor. It just adds more to stick. But I've had these ribs sitting out for a little while, and they're still a little damp. All right. That's it. Gonna let these guys sit. About 10-15 minutes, I'm going to take them directly to the UDS outside, and we will go from there. Hey guys, all right, I'm out here. Going to clean the grills like I always do with a half an onion. All right, rub them down really well. Disinfects the grill, cleans the grill up, any of that bad stuff off of there. You can see I clean my grills, keep them clean. And then I just kind of leave that over to the side. All right, let's get this rib rack on there. You can see that's sweated in there pretty well. Lay them in there as such, and that's it. We'll get them covered up and check them back here in about 30 minutes and every half hour after that. All right, guys, so out here at the smoker, it's been an hour, and you can see we're about around 250 or so. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, good color, nice. Nice, gonna be all right. All right, get this back on. Come right back. All right, guys. It's right about our 2.5 hour mark now. You can see we're still right around 300 degrees. Let's go ahead and double check the look-see here. See what that lid is. Heavy. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, buddy. Things are ready to wrap. Ready to wrap. I'm gonna get these wrapped up. Y'all seen that before. No big deal. Just gonna wrap them in foil. Put a little bit of apple juice in there, and put them back on. Catch you back in a bit. All right, guys. These ribs have been unwrapped here for about 20 minutes or so. After I let them sit in the foil for about an hour and a half. Looking really good. I'm going to go ahead and get them sauced up right now. I am going to go ahead and probe these temp these rather. You can see 203, 204. That's going in pretty tight. Yeah, so they're done. All right, we're gonna use the Sucker Busters Peach. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that on here, just as a finishing glaze. And we're gonna brush it on. Brush that on there. This stuff tastes and smells amazing. Little peachy. Smells good. Oh yeah. Y'all see that shine on there? All right, gonna cover these back up, let that sauce set, and then we're gonna take them inside. Bring you all up there in a bit. Hey guys, what's going on? As you can see, these ribs are done. And man, they got a beautiful shine to them. Tell you what, I don't know if that's coming up on camera or not, but let me tell you what, things are looking good. That smoke ring, see that? Oh yeah. Bone out of the way. We'll get the rest of these sliced up real quick and we'll take a taste. Hey guys, all right, man. Let's check this out. Rib, look at that shine. Smoke ring, you see that? Oh yeah. Looks good. Give it a taste. No burn on the bottom either. That's just a little dark, but no burn. Give it a taste. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. That honey hot water, really good. You can pick up that flavor on there. A little bit of the SPG, but that bark is on there. That peach barbecue sauce. Tell you what. Way better than it last time. Way better than I did last time. I mean, look at that. Oh gosh. Another one. Flavor and color there. Juicy. Look at that. All right, guys, that's it. It's a wrap. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for sticking around. Appreciate it. Told you I could do it. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.